I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart?
Andy, what a performance. I think you've got an awful lot going for you. It was a very understated performance. I love the kind of Welsh thing in your voice. I predict you're going to go a long, long way.
I bet you do.
Excuse me. Andy, beautiful voice you have. Divine, fabulous young man. Are you glad it's over, the song? Yeah, you look relieved now. Good.
Andy, it was. You're like a singing puppy, aren't you? You know? No, you are. I mean, and I mean that as a compliment. I mean, you're very good at what you do down the camera lens. You know, the big eyes. It was a bit wet, a little bit. I'm not going to say because it wasn't. It was the best vocal we're going to hear tonight because I do think you're capable of more than that. I thought it was a little bit safe, but it was good enough for the first show.
So well, and I love seeing you in your comfort zone, and you love the storytelling and the beautiful romantic songs. But I just want to say we've got so much more to show from you to come. So.
All right, Andy. How do you feel about those comments?